Alright, we're at David and Janice Noble's house doing a repair attempt on this shingle on the back slope here. We've got the new shingle, you can see, which is the Owens Corning Oak Ridge. And it's kind of a big difference in the dye lot. Almost two different shingles, but we're gonna get this guy out. Still got some fasteners in here, so we're gonna get those out so we can get the new shingle in clean. You can see because of the sealant, it's pulling all the other shingles up with it and that seal strip. See if we can get in there. Putty knife, don't cause any damage. Sealant really bonded on there. Holding it all together like one big puzzle piece. All right, so you can see, trying to manipulate those out. If you want to swing over to this side, you can see in here. Now getting those seal strips apart resulted in a bunch of material transfer. So it's ripped off of one shingle onto the other. That's not going to reseal. So you can also see the other damage that was caused just by trying to get that shingle out of place, because these seal strips are really bonded. So it's going to be hard to get any shingle out of place. So let's make sure all the fasteners are removed. I see one right there. Got that fastener out. You can also see the effect that the seal strip has had on the underlayment. By lifting the shingle, it ripped the underlayment as well. So now, to get this shingle in, we had to remove the fasteners of the shingle above it because they were driven through just as they are here. You see two rows of fasteners because the shingle above it fastens into the top of the shingle below it. So when we put this new shingle in, fastener in there. So, getting this new shingle in, past all those fasteners, you can see there's quite a big difference in the two shingles. This one's nearly black with a little bit of red. The other one's a red with a little bit of black. But we'll go ahead and nail these in, get them in place, and go over all the failures that happened. So flush with the shingle. They're not overdriven. Use four nails per shingle. Okay, so that shingle's in. You can see the former shingles were not exactly lined up correctly, so even though it's flush with the shingles beside it, the seal strip shows a little bit. So now the failures are material transfer. We saw, you can see on the bottom of this shingle, all the seal strip has been totally pulled away on the shingle we pulled off, which you can see all the material transfer came with it. So now the shingle above it, we had to remove the fasteners in that first row to get this shingle in. So now we have to repair and replace this shingle as well as the other one, because both of these shingles are above this shingle, and that pattern is going to go all the way up to the ridge. So all those shingles need to be replaced, which means the same thing's going to happen on the front. We're going to start and go up in a diagonal pattern, which is going to total out most of this roof.